Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to export your Powtoon to YouTube, so make sure you are paying attention. So you're going to click Preview and Export. You are going to click Export. Then you're going to click YouTube, because we do need it to go to YouTube once this is your final draft. You're going to add your account, and I am currently logged in as Jackie, so I can show you guys how yours will actually look like. So I need to log in as Jackie. Then I'm going to click Next. And it's going to tell me this message. It seems that you do not have a YouTube channel, which is required. Click here. So I'm going to click here. I was previously trying this with Courtney's account, so I'm going to switch it over to accounts to Jackie's. And then I'm going to exit out. I'm going to do it one more time. And I'm going to say Create Channel. Once I've done that, I should be ready to go. And now I'm going to click Next and give it a name. This is the part that you really need the correct name. So this should be like Potential Energy by Jackie. This is totally an example. I'm going to pick the category Education. I'm going to click Unlisted, and I'm going to click Next. And then these are all the correct ones, HD, and I'm going to click Upload. And now it's going to tell me that your Powtoon has been published. We'll notify you by email as soon as your export to YouTube is complete. So you will receive an email with the link for YouTube. Once you receive that email, that's the link that you need to copy and paste onto the Excel sheet in Google Classroom. If you had the problem where it says you have, get a message that says you are not ready to export or you have to get rid of all your Powtoons Pro, ask Mr. Sean or Mr. Gina for support.